When you need to have surgery, one of the most important decisions you make is which surgeon to go with. In today's Consumer Wise report, Angie Moreski has some advice on what to look for.
How are you doing?
Feel great.
Dr. Sharona Ross is a general surgeon at Florida Hospital Tampa and says patients should never take choosing a surgeon lightly.
This is a physician that is going to put a knife in their hand and going to cut you open, okay? I mean, this is important.
One of the first things to check is whether the surgeon is board certified in the specialty related to the procedure you're having done.
To find out, you can go to the American Board of Medical Specialties Certification Matters website. It's very easy. You just type in the doctor's name and hit search, and it shows whether they have any specialties and if they're up to date.
What was most important to you in finding a surgeon?
Their success rate.
There we go.
Your surgeon's success, failure, and complication rates are key questions, and most often that relates to experience doing the procedure.
If you do a specific operation a lot, your outcomes are much, much better.
It's also important for surgeons to use best practices and be up on the latest techniques.
Are they doing research? Are they publishing? Are they giving talks in conferences? That looks great.
Most important, be informed. Surgeons should welcome your questions.
Nobody should be intimidated by their surgeon. It's very important to be engaged, to be knowledgeable, and question your surgeon. The more you know, the easier your recovery is going to be.
Even relatively simple surgeries like gallbladder removal and hernia repair can cause serious complications, so don't take it for granted. Ask the right questions to make sure you're in good hands. I'm Angie Moreski. It pays to be consumer wise.
Before any surgery, it's also a good idea to ask the surgeon if there are any options that are not as invasive. For tips on what to consider when seeking a second opinion, head over to our website, baynews9.com. Click on the Consumer Wise story.